Hello?
Hello.
You're from Japan?
Yes.
Oh, really? You look beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
そう愛には意図があって普通触れるはずで一本だけ求めたのよ
So, are you Hong Kongese?
No, I'm your boyfriend.
Huh?
Yeah.
It's not so interesting joke.
What?
So,
It's not a
are you
joke.
right?
It's not a joke. It's not a joke. Do you have a boyfriend?
No. So, have you been? No.
Habibi?
Are you?
Habibi, I'm Habibi. I'm Habibi.
I'm Habibi.
I'm
Because
Habibi.
we are not.
Habibi.
We do not know each
Come my
other.
lap, Habibi. What?
So, are you? Were you born in Hong Kong?
No.
Where?
I was born in
United States?
your heart.
思うようにいかないのは君の心操ること
not funny joke.
One, come on. Do you have boyfriend?
No.
I'm your boyfriend.
Also, this is One Piece.
Yeah, you want One Piece?
Yeah, I think.
思うようにいかないのは君の心操ること
Yes.
Yeah, every person in Japan knows One Piece.
Oh
But
my.
but I haven't actually read One Piece. Sorry.
क्या बोला तूने नहीं पहले क्या बोला
Sorry, but I haven't actually read One Piece. Sorry.
Ah. Who's that? Wow! Caught on 4K. Caught on 4K.
Don't let your kids watch it!
Ah! Woo! I found you. What are you doing?
Nothing.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
No pictures.
What are you doing like that? Oh, yes, sir. Now you're giving me a boner. What? You did that. Whoa! What is that? FBI, open up! I know you got a big mouth. Oh my god, yes sir!
Hello.
Do you speak English?
Yeah, a little bit.
Why?
Wait, what?
Why do you speak English?
Yeah, because in here almost
Speak fast!
people
Speak fast! I don't have all day! Hey, let's go! What is that? You got a bug on your lips.
No, I don't. It's an earring.
Oh, really? I want to show you something very cute. Do you want to see?
If it's your I don't want to see.
It's not my Come on, what the Why would I show you my
Let me see. What's the pretty thing you want to show me?
No, I mean, like, yeah. This is the cutest and the prettiest thing ever. Okay? Boom. What? What?
Oh shit.
What?
That was cute.
No, I don't get it. Why are you laughing?
Okay.
Yeah. The minute is so cute, right? But not you. I'm not. There was a girl over here. There was a girl over here. She showed her body, whole body. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Did you see that?
What?
No, there was a girl. She showed everything.
No, I didn't see that.
Why? Are you trying to do the same? Are you trying to do the same? Please. No, okay. All right. Please, come on, please. I'm not here to see things. Okay, I'm not here to see things. Please. And why is your camera like this?
Because it's on my shelf and it won't fit if it's vertical.
Can you do like this? I want to see you. You look beautiful.
Thank you. Wait.
Yeah, you are beautiful. Oh, how old are you?
18.
Oh, really? You're 18?
Yeah,
Yo, that's perfect.
Yes!
Do you have a boyfriend?
I don't.
Really? Why? Why is that?
I know.
Never made a boyfriend?
I never had a boy.
Oh, really? But you are talking with your boyfriend right now.
Nothing.
Oh my god. Okay, where you from, miss?
Italy.
Italy. I like Italian bikes. The motorbike, the cars they make. So good. And the girls as well. The girl is so beautiful as well. Why you so beautiful?
I wash my face.
Yo! Chill! What was that? Chill! Who? What is your name? I didn't even ask your name. Your voice lagged? No! Oh, so this is your Instagram?
Yeah.
Wait, let me check. Your Instagram pictures look so good.
Thank you.
But there's... Oh my god. But there's one photo missing in your Instagram.
The one with you.
Yes!
Still, yeah! Yo! Jesus, how did you know?
Sorry?
So, this is a serious question, okay? I just wanted to know, how does a woman propose a guy? Like, what kind of words do they use? Do you know?
I don't.
No, if you had to propose a guy, what kind of words would you use?
Will you marry me?
Yes, of course I will. Thank you. You look so beautiful. Can you take off your glasses and smile? Look at that! Look at that!